friend, this is what we are going to animate in our PowerPoint tutorial today. And if you find this content helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Make sure you like our video, leave your comments, and please share to your friends and family. And before further ado, let's get started. So I will start by deleting these text boxes like so. Then I will go to design, then background format, format background. Then I will choose picture or texture fill. Then I'll click insert. Then I'll pick this picture and insert it. Then I'll go to insert, then shapes. Then I'll choose rectangle. Then I'll draw a big rectangle like so. Then I'll go to shape outline. Then I'll remove the outline. Then I'll go to shape fill, then gradient. Then I'll choose this gradient here. I'll go to the first one and make it 45% transparent. Then I'll go to the second one. I'll make it 30% transparent. Then this one I will leave as it is. Then I'll go to insert. I'll go to insert, then text box. Then I will type I. Then I will highlight it, then make it bigger. Then I'll select this letter, go to arrange, then align. Then I will align it to middle. I will select my rectangle, then hold shift, then I'll select this letter. Then I'll go to shape format. Then I will choose combine. I'll go to insert, then text box. Then I'll add the word Islam here. Then I'll change the font. Then I'll make it bold. Then make it a little bit bigger. Then I'll change the color to orange. Then I'll go to insert, then choose text box, change this text white. Then I'll change the font as well. Then I'll add a new blank slide, then repeat the process. Then after, I will select all of this by Control A after selecting one of the thumbnail here. Then I'll go to transition. Then I will add push. Then I will move this transition from the first slide. Then we can have a preview. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.